A troubled detective travels to Memphis in order to track down a pair of serial killers. Hello everyone, welcome to another review, and it's on the movie Kill Switch. People who play in this are Ali Liebert, Alison Araya, Anna May Rutledge, Apollonia Vanova, Brandy Alexander, Brock Johnson, Chris Bradford, Chris Shields, Chris Thomas Keane, Daniela Evangelista, David Patrick Green, Dean McKenzie, Ed Anders, Finn Michael, Fraser Aitchison, Holly Dignard, Holly Eglinton, Hugo Steele, Isaac Hayes, J. Anthony Pena, Jerry Rector, Louis Cirillo, Marcy T. House, Mark Cole, Michael Flipowicz, Paul Hobart, Philip Granger, Philip Mitchell, Reese Alexander, Rob Hayter, Sirpen McCarthy, Steven Seagal, and Trevor Jones. So yeah, my thoughts on this movie. It was okay, I guess. As you can tell, it's a Steven Seagal movie, yeah. I usually really like his stuff, but this one, not so much. Most of the movie was really bad, I found. There were some parts that were okay. It's an action, drama, thriller, crime movie. And if I had to rate this, I would have to give it a 0 out of 5. Sorry, Steven Seagal, but this wasn't your best work at all. Thank you for taking time to listen. Join me for another review I intend to do soon. This is Rob Char signing out.